Dear students, hope you are fine. Hearty welcome to our new semester, the second term, and congratulations on getting past your first term this successfully. Students, inshallah, there will be a time when we will be taking our classes in the premises of our school area. Inshallah, there will be a time. Till the hope of that time, we are going to start our new semester, right? Are you ready? Okay, open your books and keep your pencils in your hands. Students, our second term is getting started from page number 60, the Flying Machine 2. Do you remember that what we have read in our the Flying Machine 1? You remember that this is the story about a boy, Sami, and his uncle Salim. And Sami was a very intelligent boy and he drew a picture of flying machine. And meanwhile, his uncle Salim entered in his room and pleased to see Sami's drawing of his flying machine. But Uncle Salim said that it is not having engine. Yes, because it was just a piece of drawing. But right at that moment, Sami decided to make a real life flying machine with engine. Then finally, after 2 months of hard work, Sami could manage to make a flying machine. And we read that they carried that flying machine to the top of the mountain or a hill so that they could manage to throw it down so that it could fly with the gust of wind. So we are going to start reading that what happened next. So far, Uncle Salim is ready to ride the flying machine, as you can see in the picture as well. Wait a minute, said Sami. His uncle Salim looked round. Behind the glider were 10 boys, all friends of Sami's. Sami raised his right hand. Then he shouted, "Now come on, boys, all together push." Why those 10 friends of Sami were behind the glider? So that they can push the glider down. Okay? The boys all pushed. And before Uncle Salim knew what was happening, the glider had been hurled over the rock and had started to fall at great speed towards the fields below. Underline the word hurled. Students, hurled mean to throw forcefully, to make a loud cry. So what happened when boys pushed the glider? Uncle Salim actually, why he was not aware that what was happening? Because it was his first ride. So what happened when they hurled with force and they pushed from the rock? It started falling with a great speed towards the fields. Uncle Salim let out a shriek and pulled the rod towards him. Shriek means to make a loud cry. The glider straightened up, and in a second, a strong gust of wind caught hold of, and it flew up into the air. Why Uncle Salim let out a shriek or a loud cry? Because it was a very first ever experience of Uncle Salim in any flying machine. So the glider straightened up, and when in a second a strong gust of wind caught hold of it. Actually, students, the glider was basically flying with the help of strong gust of wind. Okay, and it flew nicely into the air. "Hurrah!" shouted Sami and the boys. "Well done," shouted all the people looking on. They were very happy because it was successfully flying on and moving on. Uncle Salim did not shout. His face was white with fear. The glider was going higher and higher. Below him, he could see the town and the river and the road curving away towards the city. Everybody was happy. Everybody was cheering. But why not Uncle Salim? Because it was his first experience and his face was glowing white with fear. And he was able enough to look down, to see the river, to the town and the roads, all the city. He pushed a loop of string down and the glider started to turn. Students, he did not know that what he is doing. He just unknowingly doing the actions. So what he did, he pushed a loop of string. There was a loop of string and the glider started to turn. He pushed the other loop down and it started to turn the other way. You remember in last lesson why Sami instructed him that these loops are for turning right and left. These strings work well, said Uncle Salim out loud, and I am becoming quite a good pilot. So here Uncle Salim thought himself something else. He felt high when he understood the grip of that glider. He felt confident at that moment. Uncle Salim pushed down his left foot again, but nothing happened. He looked down and noticed that the string had broken. So this is the point where you can say the other part of story will start. So please mark your dates here. Inshallah, the rest of lesson we will complete tomorrow. Okay? Till then, stay blessed and goodbye.